What happens when a superhero comic book and strategy textbook collide? In an explosion of video animation, epic music, and high-level strategy content? The StrategyMan Learning System. An online gamified training program to help your team master what research has shown to be the most important skill for managers to possess: strategic thinking. The StrategyMan Learning System consists of 12 levels, with each level containing a mission that you must complete and a villain to defeat. Follow along with the engaging animated graphic novel and learn how to develop a common language for strategy, make strategic trade-offs, extinguish fire drills, lead strategic meetings, and much more.
How do I know what the strategy is if you won't tell me?
The goal is what? The strategy is how.
And I suppose who's on first?
No, who is your target customer?
How am I supposed to develop a strategic plan if you won't tell me who is the customer, what is the goal, and how is the strategy?
Exactly.
At the end of each chapter, you'll face 3 challenges. First, you'll attempt to gain points through recon, answering knowledge-based questions. Second, you'll face skirmishes, solving situational strategy challenges for points. And third, you'll brandish a strategy weapon to defeat the villain by completing a strategic thinking exercise. These exercises accomplish the critical task of applying the concepts and tools to a manager's real-world work. Complete all 12 levels, score more points than the villainous anti-strategy squad, and receive a program certificate of completion. As an added bonus, you can display a leaderboard of your team's individual scores, leveraging the gamification aspect to inspire higher levels of learning engagement. The StrategyMan Learning System includes an admin function that enables you to monitor progress, generate learning reports, and measure your team's success. Research shows that only 1 out of every 4 organizations teach their managers strategy skills. Will your team be in the majority of reactive tactical ones out there, or one of the highly strategic elite? The choice is yours. In today's ultra-competitive market, be strategic or be gone. Visit strategyskills.com today for a free trial.